Want to add a photo of your home to Google Maps? In this quick tutorial, I'll show you how to add a photo step by step using Google Maps. First, open Google Maps and make sure you're signed in to your Google account. Now, search for your home or the address where you want to add the photo. Once you find the location, select the place on the map to open its information. Scroll through the available options and look for the Photos section. Tap Add a Photo. Now choose the photo you want to upload from your phone or computer. Select the image and wait for it to upload. Before publishing, make sure you've selected the correct photo and that it doesn't contain private information you don't want to share publicly. When everything looks good, submit the photo. Google may review the image before it appears publicly on Maps, so it might not show up immediately. And that's it. You've successfully submitted a photo for a location on Google Maps. Keep in mind that adding a photo to a Google Maps location doesn't necessarily mean Google will permanently display it, and Google may remove or reject photos that don't meet its content policies. If this tutorial helped you, don't forget to like the video, subscribe, and check out our other Google Maps tutorials.